we would like to inform you that we are ready for this new tax season. We invite you to follow us on our social media platforms to stay updated with important information, announcements, and recommendations. This year, we have implemented significant improvements to enhance your experience and provide a more efficient, secure, and organized service. Below is a step-by-step overview of the process. The first step is to visit our website, www.svimpots.com. On the website, you will find the Taxes section, where you can review all updated information regarding our services for this year. You will also be able to view our official pricing. In order for us to begin preparing your tax return, you must access our client portal, an interactive platform that allows you to manage your process quickly and securely. Once inside the portal, you will need to create your account, enter your personal information, and complete the registration process. After completing this step, you will be directed to the main page of the portal, where you will find a menu with multiple options, including making payments for our services, signing documents electronically, viewing your tax return results by fiscal year, starting in 2025, communicating with our team through the internal messaging system. When you are ready, select the option, Create My First Return. In this section, you will find the tax form, which must be completed with the required information. Once completed, you may proceed to the Upload Documents section, where you will submit your supporting documents. Additionally, this section includes a helpful guide with a list of required documents, in case you have questions about what needs to be provided. When ready, you may upload your documents in PDF format. If uploaded individually, you will have the option to assign a name to each file for better organization. Once the upload process is complete, you may submit your return, which will allow us to officially begin the review and preparation process. These improvements have been implemented to continue strengthening our services, comply with current regulations regarding personal data protection, and provide you with access to your information anytime, from any device. Please note that, as required by regulation, documents must be retained for a period of 6 years, in case of verification. Once again, thank you for your trust. We remain committed to serving you.